Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, true financial freedom always seems just out of reach? You're not alone. The truth is, success with money isn't just about effort, it's about energy. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to attract the wealth you deserve. What if I told you that by shifting your mindset and using the law of attraction, you could transform your financial reality starting today? That's exactly what we're diving into. In this video, I'll share 7 foolproof strategies that will help you unlock the abundance that's been waiting for you all along. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about learning how to focus your energy, remove resistance, and take inspired action toward a life of prosperity. If you've ever felt trapped by your current circumstances, this is your chance to break free and step into the wealth you were meant to have. So, if you're ready to rewrite your financial story and claim the life you've been dreaming of, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to shift your mindset and attract financial success like never before. Let's begin. How often do you find yourself thinking about what you don't have? Maybe it's the money you wish was in your bank account, the debt you're carrying, or the financial goals that feel so far away. Those thoughts can feel automatic, even justified. But here's the thing. The more you focus on what's missing, the more you reinforce its presence in your life. That's how the law of attraction works. It amplifies what you concentrate on. Now imagine shifting that focus. Instead of seeing what's lacking, you start seeing what's already abundant in your life. That's the mindset of abundance. It's not about ignoring reality. It's about changing your relationship with it. When you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, you block opportunities without even realizing it. You send out signals of fear and resistance, and the universe mirrors that energy back to you. But when you embrace abundance, when you feel grateful for what you already have, even the small things, you create space for more to flow in. Let me give you an example. Think about your financial situation right now. Maybe it's not where you want it to be, but can you find even one thing to appreciate? Maybe it's the fact that you had enough to pay a bill this month, or the ability to treat yourself to something small. Gratitude works like a magnet. The more you appreciate, the more the universe gives you to appreciate. Here's a simple exercise to start shifting your mindset today. Grab a notebook and write down 3 things you're grateful for when it comes to money. It could be as small as finding $1 in your pocket or as significant as a steady paycheck. The key is to focus on the feeling of gratitude as you write it down. That feeling is what changes your energy, and your energy is what changes your reality. Remember, abundance isn't a destination, it's a mindset. The more you train your mind to see the wealth around you, the more you'll attract. Start today and watch how your perspective and your finances begin to shift. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your ideal financial life. Picture yourself waking up in the morning with no stress about money. You check your account and it's filled with abundance. You're living in your dream home, driving the car you've always wanted, or traveling to places you've longed to visit. Now, ask yourself, how did that feel? Were you smiling, feeling light, even excited? That's the power of visualization. Your mind is an incredibly powerful tool, and here's the secret. It doesn't know the difference between what's vividly imagined and what's real. When you visualize yourself already living the life you desire, you create a clear blueprint for your subconscious mind to follow. It starts aligning your thoughts, decisions, and actions with that reality. Visualization isn't about daydreaming. It's about programming your mind for success. Think about athletes. Many of them practice visualizing themselves crossing the finish line or scoring the winning goal before they even step onto the field. They know that by creating a mental picture of success, they're not just imagining it, they're making it more likely to happen. The same principle applies to your financial goals. To make visualization work for you, you need to go beyond just seeing the image. Feel it. If you're imagining financial freedom, feel the relief of no debt, the excitement of being able to give generously, the pride of achieving your goals. The stronger the emotion, the more powerful the signal you send to the universe. Set aside 5 minutes every day to practice this. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and picture your financial dream in vivid detail. What do you see? What do you hear? How does it feel? The more real you make it in your mind, the faster you'll start seeing it in your life. Visualization is your mind's way of rehearsing for success. When you consistently focus on your vision, you'll notice opportunities, ideas, and people showing up to help make it a reality. It's not magic. It's the law of attraction in action. So, start visualizing today and watch how your world begins to shift. What's the first thought that comes to mind when you hear the word money? Is it excitement, or does it come with feelings of stress, doubt, or fear? Your answer might reveal the limiting beliefs you hold about money, beliefs that are quietly shaping your financial reality. These beliefs often come from childhood, society, or past experiences, and they create invisible walls that keep you from reaching the wealth you desire. Think about phrases you might have heard growing up. Money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, or you have to work hard just to get by. These statements may seem harmless, but they plant deep-seated ideas in your subconscious mind. Over time, they become your truth, even if they're not based on reality. If you believe money is hard to earn or that you're not good with finances, you'll unconsciously act in ways that reinforce those beliefs. But here's the good news. Beliefs can be changed. Just because you've thought something for years doesn't mean it has to define your future. The first step is to identify the limiting beliefs holding you back. Take a moment to think about your current relationship with money. Do you believe there's never enough? Do you feel guilty wanting more? Write those thoughts down, because awareness is the key to transformation. Once you've identified those beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this absolutely true? For example, if you believe you have to work tirelessly to make money, look around. There are countless people who've built wealth by working smarter, not harder. Their success proves your belief isn't universal. Replace those old, limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of thinking, money is hard to earn, say, money flows to me easily when I align with my purpose. Instead of, I'm not good with money, affirm, I am learning to master my finances every day. Repeating these affirmations consistently helps reprogram your subconscious mind, opening the door for new opportunities and habits to take root. Your beliefs about money create your financial reality. When you choose to let go of what's been holding you back and adopt new, empowering truths, you'll notice a shift. Suddenly, the possibilities feel endless, and the wealth you've been dreaming of feels closer than ever. It starts with the decision to break free from the old and embrace the new. Your financial transformation begins the moment you believe it's possible. Money, like everything else in life, is energy. It flows where it's welcomed, appreciated, and respected. But how do you treat money? Do you see it as a tool for opportunity, or do you resent it, fear it, or feel disconnected from it? Your relationship with money sends out powerful signals to the universe, and those signals determine how freely money flows into your life. Think of it this way. If you're inviting a guest into your home, you make sure it's tidy, welcoming, and ready for their arrival. The same is true for money. If your finances are chaotic or filled with avoidance, like unopened bills, missed opportunities, or a lack of clear goals, it's like closing the door to abundance. To align with money energy, you need to create an environment that says, I'm ready to receive. Start by organizing your financial life. Take a good look at your income, expenses, savings, and debts. Don't avoid the numbers. Face them with a sense of empowerment. Clarity brings control, and control opens the path to growth. Set clear intentions for your money, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an investment portfolio. Intentions give your money direction and purpose, signaling to the universe that you value what you have and are ready for more. Another powerful way to align with money is through respect and gratitude. Every time you earn, save, or spend, take a moment to appreciate the flow of money in your life. Even when paying bills, shift your mindset. Instead of seeing it as money leaving you, see it as an exchange of energy that supports your lifestyle. Gratitude for what you have, no matter how small, tells the universe you're ready to handle more abundance. Finally, pay attention to how you talk about money. Words carry energy, and negative phrases like, I'm broke or I can't afford it, only reinforce lack. Replace them with empowering statements like, I'm prioritizing my spending, or I'm creating space for more wealth. This simple shift changes not just your perspective, but the energy you emit, attracting money instead of repelling it. Aligning with money energy isn't about wishing for it. It's about actively creating a relationship of trust, respect, and intention. When you treat money as a valued partner, it responds by flowing into your life with ease and abundance. It's time to open the door and let it in. Manifesting wealth isn't just about thinking positively or visualizing success. It's about taking action. But not just any action, inspired action. This is the kind of movement that feels aligned, purposeful, and exciting, even if it's outside your comfort zone. The law of attraction works best when your mindset and energy are paired with tangible steps toward your goals. Think of it like planting a seed. You can visualize a beautiful garden all you want, but unless you water the soil, provide sunlight, and tend to it, nothing will grow. Inspired action is how you water the seeds of your financial intentions. It's about recognizing opportunities, trusting your intuition, and being willing to act even when the outcome isn't guaranteed. The key difference between inspired action and random effort is the energy behind it. When you're taking inspired action, it feels right. It might even feel a little scary, but it also feels exciting, like stepping towards something you know you're meant to achieve. It could be finally starting that side business you've been dreaming of, reaching out to someone who inspires you, or making a bold decision with your money that aligns with your goals. Often, inspired action begins with a nudge from your intuition. Maybe you have a sudden idea or notice an opportunity that keeps popping up. Those moments are signals. Pay attention to them. The universe is always responding to your energy, and when you're in alignment with abundance, it will guide you toward the next step. But it's up to you to take it. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you move. Success rarely comes from having all the answers up front. It's about taking the first step and trusting the path will unfold as you go. Break your financial goals into small, manageable actions you can take today. Each step builds momentum, and momentum attracts more opportunities and results. Taking inspired action sends a powerful message to the universe that you're serious about your goals and ready to receive the abundance you've been visualizing. The combination of belief, energy, and action is unstoppable. It's time to stop waiting and start creating the financial life you deserve, one step at a time. Sometimes, the very thing blocking you from abundance is holding on too tightly. When you're constantly worrying, doubting, or obsessing over how and when money will come, you create resistance. Resistance is like trying to row a boat upstream. It takes all your energy, and you never seem to get anywhere. The irony is, the more you let go and trust, the faster you'll start to flow toward what you want. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your financial goals. It means releasing the fear, doubt, and control that come with trying to force results. When you obsess over every detail, you send a message to the universe that you don't trust it to provide. That fear creates a barrier, keeping abundance at a distance. But when you let go, you create space for opportunities to flow in naturally. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Think of it this way. Imagine you're planting a seed. You wouldn't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust the process. You water it, give it sunlight, and allow nature to do its work. The same goes for your financial intentions. Once you've set your goals and taken action, trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring everything together. Detachment is a powerful tool. When you release the need to control every outcome, you shift your energy from desperation to confidence. Instead of fixating on what you lack, focus on the abundance already present in your life. Celebrate the small wins, even if they don't seem directly tied to your financial goals. Gratitude shifts your energy, reducing resistance and creating a magnet for more. One of the best ways to let go is through meditation or mindfulness. Spend a few moments each day breathing deeply and visualizing your goals as if they're already achieved. Feel the joy and peace of having everything you desire. Then release it. Trust that it's on its way, even if you can't see it yet. Letting go doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing your part and trusting the universe to handle the rest. When you release resistance, you'll find that money and opportunities come to you more easily and often in ways you never expected. Trust the process, because abundance is already making its way to you. The energy around you has a profound impact on your ability to attract wealth. Think about the people, environments, and habits that fill your daily life. Are they aligned with abundance, or do they reinforce scarcity and struggle? Surrounding yourself with wealth energy means intentionally creating an environment that inspires, uplifts, and motivates you to reach your financial goals. One of the most powerful steps you can take is to evaluate the people you spend the most time with. Are they positive, ambitious, and supportive? Or do they complain about money, focus on limitations, or discourage your dreams? The energy of those around you affects your own. By connecting with people who embody abundance, whether it's through their mindset, success, or generosity, you'll naturally start to absorb that energy and adopt similar habits and beliefs. Your physical environment also plays a role. Clutter, disorganization, and neglect send a signal of chaos and resistance. Take the time to create a space that feels abundant and inspiring. This doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune. Simple changes like organizing your workspace, adding a vision board, or displaying symbols of wealth can shift the energy in your environment and keep your goals front and center. Another way to surround yourself with wealth energy is to immerse yourself in resources that support your growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos created by successful people who've achieved the kind of financial freedom you aspire to. Learn from their stories and absorb their mindset. Inspiration is contagious, and the more you expose yourself to success, the more it will feel within your reach. Finally, be mindful of what you consume, not just in terms of content but in your own self-talk. Replace negative money habits, like complaining about expenses, with positive rituals, like gratitude for every financial blessing. Celebrate small wins, whether it's saving an extra dollar or finding a creative way to earn more. When you radiate gratitude and positivity, you attract more reasons to feel grateful. Wealth energy isn't just about money. It's about creating a mindset and lifestyle that reflects abundance at every level. When you surround yourself with people, environments, and habits that align with prosperity, you'll find that wealth naturally begins to flow into your life. We've covered so much today. How to shift your mindset, harness the power of visualization, overcome limiting beliefs, align with money energy, take inspired action, let go of resistance, and surround yourself with wealth energy. These aren't just ideas. They're powerful tools that, when practiced consistently, can transform your financial reality. But here's the truth. Nothing will change unless you decide to take the first step. The universe is ready to work with you, but it's waiting for your signal. That signal starts with belief. The belief that you're worthy of abundance, that wealth is already on its way to you, and that you have the power to create the life you desire. Take a moment right now to reflect on what resonated most with you. Maybe it was breaking free from limiting beliefs or practicing daily gratitude. Whatever it is, start there. Small shifts in your mindset and actions can create incredible momentum, and the results will follow faster than you think. Remember, abundance isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by becoming the person who is ready to receive it. You've already taken a powerful step by watching this video and opening your mind to new possibilities. Now it's time to put these strategies into action and claim the financial freedom you deserve. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs it, and let me know in the comments which strategy you'll start using today. Together, we're creating a ripple of abundance, one person at a time. Your journey to financial success begins now. Are you ready? Let's make it happen.